Alright, today we're going to be talking about HubSpot's new integration with Animoto. So first you want to get over to the integration section of HubSpot. Just go up to the top right by your ID and your login and click down the arrow. Go under integrations. This is going to take you to the integrations page where you could then quick scroll down and find Animoto. Once you do that, you're just going to want to click learn more, and that's going to take you over to the detail page that basically gives you just a simple overview of what the integration does. Once you do that, you can kind of get an idea. You can click connect, and this is going to take you over to the Animoto login. Here I am already logged into our Animoto account, so it takes me to our main video dashboard or our project area, and you can go under create here. Once you choose that, you're going to want to choose marketing video. This is going to give you some options, some templates that they've already created. It's going to give you templates that HubSpot has kind of used in the past on their channels, and so they're there for you just to get going right away. And you can kind of tell they got a little new here, and then they're using the HubSpot logo up in the top right. So as you hover over it, you can quickly see the template, how it works, the animation. All this is editable for you, the images, the copy, and the colors. So here's another one they have for new content offers. If you click into this, you can actually look at it a little bit more in detail and then choose that storyboard. So I'm going to click choose storyboard. This now gives me those blocks that HubSpot was using in their templates, and it allows me to edit all of these and change how long it is from a second standpoint. I can clone it, or I can see more and get into detail. So if I just select this copy, I'm then able to make changes here. I can add subtitles, and I can change that copy of the color if I wanted to. The other thing you can do is go over to the image. You can play around with the zooming in and out. You can upload your own images by clicking that button and pulling that up from your desktop. And if you decide you don't want an image there, you can also change the background color quickly and just go right here to change that. Here's where this little arrow will then go to the next one, so you can kind of stay in this zoomed in mode where you can edit each block quickly. And then if I just X out of this, I can add other blocks to this by going to the basic text, video, or photos. I can also add some of their new special ones, which is just a logo block or a collage. So here's kind of what we were doing to start promoting our Experience Inbound conference that we host every year with Wider Group. And if I push play here, this is the HubSpot template that we utilized, just uploading the text and changing it really quickly. It took me about a few minutes to do this. So just going back to this standard template that HubSpot provided, one thing you need to do is you do need to replace the media that they had in their template. So if I go and delete this image and upload a new one, I can do that here and just quickly grab an image, drop it in place. I can resize it. But once I'm done doing that, I can preview it, and then I can hit produce. And once you hit produce, this is where you get the opportunity to give it a name, give it a date, description, and then choose what video quality you want them to create for you as an option to download or to export over into HubSpot. So if you hit finish here, then it's going to actually do that process for you, and it's going to start producing the video. And here is where you have that integration. So I'm going to go back to this other video. I'm going to close this tab and then go to the video that we used here, and I'm going to hit share from this dashboard. And here again, it pops up those same options you just saw on the screen previous. I'm going to hit HubSpot. It's going to give me a heads up that it's going to take a little bit for it to export over into the file manager. So I'm going to hit begin export. And now it's going to ask me to actually choose which HubSpot account I want it to sync with. So I'm choosing our agency account, and I'm going to grant access to it. And once that's done, we'll get emailed information when the export is complete, and I can kind of close this out. So you can see here in File Manager within HubSpot, it automatically created an Animoto folder within File Manager. And if I click on that, I'm then able to see the video, see what the file type is, the size of it, and if I click on it, it'll actually give me the more detail with the full file URL, and then allow me to preview it as well. This is now in our account, and so we can use it within our social media publishing tools, or if we wanted to link over to it through another channel, we can always do that, and then we can also download it right here. We're really excited to start using this feature and integration so that we can start promoting more of our content utilizing these quick videos to promote webinars, ebooks, or events like our Experience Inbound conference. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.